Rightio, new car. Pretty good. It cost $250. I've just taken this off the sway bar link. It had broken off from here. And I've just put a new one on, and I just got to get the sway bar down to match the same height. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna jack up this end here, just like this, and then so I got it up that high. Go over to the other side and have a look, and go, yep, alright, it's almost there. Go a little bit more. Oh yeah, that should be almost there. Yeah, look at that. That's getting pretty close. Get that out of the way. Jack it up, another 2 or 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4 for luck. That should be perfect there. Oh, almost perfect. I could just slip that in like how it is. Right. Jack it up. 2 more. 1, 2. That. And then that should just push in. Put this on. There's a sway bar link. That's virtually on. Got to make sure you have these in the right spots. Need to replace this. Like, that's dodgy. I'll give you a little rundown on the car. Rubs here. Pretty well beat damage here. These are barely holding on. So you hold on with duct tape. Got a brand new alternator on there. All these wirings, and this is just shocking, and look at that, that's not even on. It's gas as well. Don't really like that. Like, yeah, everything on it's pretty beat up. Yeah, and then we come to the side here, and it's had damage here. Taken the wing off of it, missing the fuel cap, and the interior isn't too bad, I'd say. I just have to put it back together. The door lining, I did a dodgy repair to the window because it doesn't go up because it's broken, and I've done everything, couldn't find it, so I've just done this wire, so if I put the window down I can get it back up. Yeah, need to put the center console in. I've got a new set of switches for front and the rear, need to put that back in. Everything's in there, new hoses as well. Got some seat covers just to make it look a little bit better. Need to hide away some wiring and probably get some new seats for it and new roof liner. But other than that, the car's all good, and yeah, so it's not too bad. The BA Falcon, the one that most people want to watch, that's took that out of the shed for the day. I put it out here. I've done a bit of work to it. Got rust repairs here. There's a bit of damage that I found there. Got a bit more rust here. Got the exhaust in the back that's damaged here and it's chopped here, so I'm just gonna, because that one's all good, I'm just gonna chop here, put that there, weld that up on here, and that should be good. The taillights are out because of the rust repair. I've got new gas struts and stuff to make it all good. Put the speakers in the back of it. The radiator has given up, so I've taken the radiator out as well. But, well, the radiator's still in, but it's broken. So there'll be a new radiator going into that car soon. But that's about everything I've been doing in the past few weeks, months. So yeah, there'll be a few videos probably coming up soon about, you know, my cars and maybe the shed and some other stuff. Sway bar is in, as you can see there, all in, looking good as, oh, everything's like that. Now I'm just putting back on the wheel, and then I'll get out the shed, take it for a drive. Just some other random stuff that I did. Ooh, rusty. Leave that off.